8 signs that you are right about there. I mean, right about there to making it absolutely big with your life with the power of the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And we are just sending you good vibrations today, filling you up with positive energy because we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about your dreams and your goals. So be sure and subscribe. Click the bell icon, because when you click the bell icon, well, I don't know if it rings or what it does, but anyway, you find out when our next video is up, and we have something new for you each and every day to empower your life, to take your life to the next level. You know that you're about to make it big. I mean, you can just feel it. I remember when I was really, really down, and it was Christmas Eve, and I was in a hotel room, and I was all by myself, and there was nobody there, and you could hear people fighting next door. And I was smiling. I felt good. Because I knew at that moment that everything was turning around and I was in the process of making it big. That I was going to reach out and help people who were in the position that I was in. I got myself into that position and I needed to get myself out in order to be credible to help other people. High flyers, this is your time. So if you have 3 or 4 of these 8 signs that I'm giving you, you are about to make it big. I mean, huge, bigger than you ever expected. Number 1, are you ready for this? You're awakening to your dreams and your imagination. Imagination is so important because, and listen, high flyers, when you practice your imagination, don't put limits on it as to whether it's plausible or not. Just allow your imagination to go. Focus on your dreams, even if it seems impossible. Allow your dreams and imagination to flow. And if you're already doing this, I mean, if you're caught up in your imagination, the chances are that you've probably begun to open your pineal gland. But in addition to that, you are awakening to your greatness, something great inside you, and you are about to experience some absolute wonders in your life. So, number 1, you're opening up to your dreams and your imagination. You're using your imagination more than ever before. Number 2 is you are seeing clearly. It's like you've got the best telescope in the world for looking into the future. And you are looking into the future and you're seeing clearly yourself 10 years from now, yourself 5 years from now, yourself a year from now, yourself 6 months from now, and yourself today. You see clearly into the future and you telescope that all the way back to today. So you're looking with clarity because you know that everything you do today begins to lead you to that 6-month goal. And everything you do thereafter leads you to that 1-year goal and that 5-year goal and that 10-year goal. And hey, I have news for you. I have news for you. Whatever level you think you're going to be at in 5 years, you're going to be much higher. You're going to be soaring like a big, beautiful eagle with 2 rockets strapped to its back. I mean, I'm not kidding. That's the way it works. That's the way it worked for me. It's the way it works for a number of people. When you start heading upward, it goes faster than you ever imagined and much higher. Number 3, are you ready for this? You are finally moving into alignment with wealth, with abundance, with prosperity. You see a limo going down the street and you're not envious. You're excited. You're happy. You're pumped up. You read about somebody in the newspaper that just made a gazillion dollars with an invention, and you're excited because you realize now, maybe for the first time, I don't know, but you realize now that there is no limit on the wealth in this world. That if somebody makes $1 billion, it doesn't take anything away from you. Not even 1 penny. Okay? Not even 1 penny. If somebody makes $1 trillion, it doesn't take anything away from you. Not even 1 penny. But every time you see somebody that's wealthy, every time you read about somebody that has made it to the top with wealth and prosperity and abundance, it's a sign to you. It's a huge sign that you're next. That you are next. And you may not even know how. You may not even know how. But you are next because you are in alignment with wealth and prosperity. High flyers, I want to remind you before we continue to go to miraclemindhypnosis.com. That's miraclemindhypnosis.com. Get your free abundance, prosperity, love, audio hypnosis, miracle hypnosis program that we created especially for you. It's our gift. People are downloading it all over the world. We're getting letters coming back now that great things, not just good things, but great things are happening in their life. Listen to it every night. miraclemindhypnosis.com. Number 4. Oh, this is a huge sign. You are in love with your authentic self. Maybe in the past, you kind of pushed who you really were aside because you wanted to fit in with the crowd. I got to slip in with the crowd. Okay, you don't have to slip in with the crowd. The crowd's down here. You're up here, baby. Oh, yeah. You do not need to slip in with the crowd. And finally, you're in love with your authentic self. You know, I get mail every day. I get hundreds of letters or comments that say, Robert, we love you. We appreciate what you're doing. You've changed our life. But I get letters that say, you're a jerk. You're a scam artist. I hate you. Blah, 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 blah. You know what I do? Bzzz, click, delete. Click, delete. Click, delete. It makes no difference to me. I'm not concerned with what the masses think. I'm concerned with being true to my authentic self. And if you've moved into that space, oh yeah, that's positive energy. That's a positive sign that you are soaring high like a beautiful eagle, that things are opening up for you in wonderful ways because your authentic self is the true magnet that can attract anything you desire. Number 5, speaking of love. I got to take a breath. I'm just wired today. This is exciting. Number 5, you're falling in love with your true purpose. You know, so much of us is about trying to avoid disaster in our life. But when you have a love affair with your purpose, you're not worried about avoiding things. You're in love with creating things. You're in love with doing things. You're in love with becoming something. You know, Rachel and I, we pretty much walk or work out every morning, and we are constantly listening to audio programs. We're constantly focusing our energy on becoming our highest version mentally, of who we can become, of our potential. Because we want that knowledge, that specialized knowledge, to help us advance our true purpose. We have a true purpose. You are part of that purpose. Reaching out to you every day is part of our purpose. Because we don't just want to fill you with positive motivation. We want to give you tools that will empower your life when or if you choose to apply them. And it's a love affair. We're having a love affair. Did you know that? Rachel, did you know we're having a love affair? Yes, we are. We are having a love affair with you because you're part of our true purpose. And when you fall in love with your true purpose, whatever it is, doesn't make a difference. It's yours. And it's a huge sign that incredible, unbelievable, wonderful things are coming your way. Sign number 6, that everything is about to open up to you, everything is unfolding for you, is that all of a sudden, maybe you haven't done this when you were younger, but you're doing it now. You're taking care of your health. You're eating clean, a lot of vegetables. You're eating non-GMO foods. You're drinking clean water. You're breathing clean air. You're not allowing all these nasty LED lights to infiltrate you morning, noon, and night. You're getting plenty of rest. And when you put yourself in a position to win, the chances of winning increase massively. And that's what taking care of your health is all about. And you're doing that now. And that's exciting because that is a massive sign that great things are unfolding for you, that you are making it bigger than you ever thought possible. High flyers, number 7 is that you are living on purpose. Every day, everything you do has a meaning. It's directed toward your dreams and goals. It's directed in one. You're not going this way and that way and turning this way and, like the robot man. You're not doing that. You're moving straight ahead. And everything you do from the time you get up, even your relaxation, is designed to take you closer to your dreams and goals, to unlock the door and allow that floodgate of energy, of positive energy, to flow into your life. You are closer to your dreams than ever before. As a matter of fact, your dreams are already present. They already exist because you are living on purpose. And finally, number 8 is you are confident and calm. Oh, I get excited. I love to get fired up. But deep down, I focus on being calm and confident. Absolutely certain. People oftentimes that I talk to, they say, well, how do I know it's going to happen? And there's no proof. There's no proof that what you desire is going to happen. There's no proof that you'll even be here tomorrow. But you have to have confidence. And you have to be calm about it. You have to have a sense of certainty that the world, the universe, is unfolding for you. And all your dreams and desires are manifesting in a bigger, more spectacular way than you ever believed possible. It's a knowingness. You just know it. It's like in your gut. I know it. Okay? I know that you're special, and you know that we love you. Have a great day because you deserve it. Bye-bye now.